Okay, we are talking about multi-step inequalities, and so before we do that, I want to do a brief recap on multi-step equations. So for example, in number 1, remember, we try to follow order of operations when we're simplifying, and then reverse order of operations when we're solving. So in the simplification process, right here, I can distribute this 3. A lot of people got confused on this, on the test. Distribution is multiplication, so you have to multiply to both parts. So you're going to have 3 plus 15 minus 9r equals 90. And then there's confusion about this too. The phrase combine like terms, that applies if the terms are on the same side of the equal sign. If they're on different sides, it's not combining like terms. It's just simplifying using inverse operations. So right here, I have 2 constants. That means I can combine like terms since they're on the same side of the equal sign. And when they're on the same side, I apply the operation that's already happening. So this is being added. That's what I apply when they're on the same side. Now I need to solve. So to get r by itself, I have to use reverse convast now. So subtract this 18 first. Then I get negative 9r equals 72. Then to get rid of this negative 9, I need to divide it since it's being multiplied. And I get r equals negative 8. Over here, I would like you to try this one. You should get an answer of yes. So like I said, we're solving multi-step inequalities, and today we're going to talk about multi-step inequalities with variables on one side. Tomorrow we're going to do both sides. Here's your steps. These are the same. We talked about these yesterday, but it's never a bad idea to rewrite, especially this one. This is important. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, you need to flip your inequality. So here's how this works. You're going to solve just like you would an equation. So over here, my first step is to combine like terms. Excuse me. So I've got this 6, we've got this negative 4. This is going to become 2. Excuse me. 2 minus 2b less than or equal 16. And when I solve, I'm going to start by subtracting 2. I get negative 2b is less than or equal to positive 14. And then to get b by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 2. And since I divided by a negative, there should be a red flag. I need to change my sign. B is greater than or equal to negative 7. Then I need to graph it. Now, a lot of you had questions about which direction things were going yesterday. So we seemed okay about whether we should use an open or closed circle. So since this has this equal sign here, this is a closed circle. And then since this reads b is greater than or equal to negative 7, this greater than sign means that I'm looking for numbers that are bigger than negative 7. And the numbers that are bigger than negative 7 are to the right. Let's try another. Negative 14 is less than or equal to 3x minus 7 plus 4x. I've got some like terms here. Since they're on the same side of the inequality, I can just add them as they are. So negative 14 is less than or equal to 7x minus 7. Now to get x by itself, I'm going to add 7 and get negative 7 less than or equal to 7x. I'm going to get x by itself. I'm going to divide by 7. I'm going to get negative 1 is less than or equal to x. Now you might be wondering why I did not flip the inequality because there's a negative in my answer. But I didn't divide by a negative. This part was positive. So if I'm dividing by a positive, it's okay if it still ends up being negative. But with that being said, I like my variable to be on the left-hand side. So I'm just kind of going to flip this whole thing around. I see that the inequality is facing the x. So when I rewrite this with my left on the side, I'm going to make my inequality face x. So I didn't change anything. I just wrote it in the opposite direction. So when I practice, it's got that equal sign. So I'm going to have a closed circle. and I'm looking for numbers that are bigger than -1, then I'm going to go to my right. I would like you to try these. I'm going to give you an answer here. I'm getting is less than or equal to -1. And x is greater than or equal to 0, which a lot of you on the test got freaked out by when you had to divide and you ended up with 0. 0 is still a number, so that's an acceptable answer. A lot of you put no solution, but 0 is a solution. Alright, so same idea, but we're going to apply the distributive property in here. 12 minus 18k is less than or equal to 138. Remember, I came up with those numbers by multiplying that 3 to every term inside the parentheses. So then to get k by itself, I'm going to subtract the 12. I get -18, k is less than or equal to 126. Then to get k by itself, I have to flip my sign because I just divided by a negative number. And then 126. Just have that in close symbol and symbol this way. Over here, when I distribute this, I cannot distribute it to that -3 because it's not in parentheses. So I'll take 32x, 64, minus 3, less than or equal to 157. So it's going to become, now I can combine my terms. These guys here. To get x by itself, I'm going to subtract the 61. And I get 32x less than or equal to 96. Which one I divide? I get x is less than or equal to 3. I did not have to change my sign since the number I divided was positive. Close circle. Less than, I'm going to go to the numbers that are less than -3. I would like you to do these yourself. I'm going to give you an answer. This is an open circle this time. This one I get something that looks like this. Take this one back. Alright, once you finish this, feel free to show me your work. I'll give you the homework.